In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter. Well, first of all, you need to find where it is located. So in this house, the air filter is located on the second floor in the hallway on the ceiling. So the time frame to change the air filter is from 1 to 3 months, but really depends on how frequent you use your AC system. But minimum is twice a year. And the cost of each filter is from $5 to $20 one piece. So it's not bad at all. And there's 3 things you need to prepare before you do the changing the air filter. Number 1 is the ladder. Number 2 is the air filter. Number 3 is the wiping cloth. And before you do this, you want to turn on the AC and to create a suction to keep your air filter in place. So let's do it. First, you need to open this grill. There are a few clips, you can tell. It's very easy just to open those clips. So you can open the whole grill and take down the old filter. And let me get you a new one. Before you put this on, making sure to find this airflow arrow. It's right here. Making sure the arrow goes up. And just put it there. Boom. Done. Then you close it by closing those clips. Alright, so after you close it, making sure to use the wiping cloth to wipe the grill. It's just that simple. If I can do it, you can do it too.